Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. The HBAR chart continues to be in a broader range. So looking at the daily time frame, I normally like to start with that because it gives you a good idea of the content, not content, context actually. Here on this larger time frame, it clearly shows that we could still be in this wave 4 correction. Yeah. If you watched previous videos, then you know that the main support area I'm tracking is located between 9.8 cents and 16.7 cents. And this support area is unchanged. And as long as we are above the 61.8 retracement level at 9.8 cents, I'm inclined to watch for overall higher prices. That doesn't mean that the price has to go up straight away. No, in fact, the price could go a little bit lower, test those levels before we turn around to the upside. That's very important. That's very important to understand. The blue scenario seems to be leading at the moment. The main reason for that is that the rally that occurred from the February low, the late February low here, was only a 3-wave move. And if you watched previous videos, then you know that this indicates that this here could have easily just been a B-wave rally, which is just a part of a corrective rally in a larger degree, in a larger time frame, 4th wave. So the 4th wave support, as I said, is between 9.8 cents and 16.7 cents. The blue scenario, however, to really confirm it, we need to see a break below the red line. That's located around 17.5 cents. And then the market should drop down to round about 12.8 cents. This is at the moment what I'm tracking primarily. Happy to change my mind if the market suddenly surges above the recent high, which formed here around 29 cents. Then we can watch for higher prices more directly. Then it would indicate that in the white scenario, the low already formed. The problem is just structurally, this does not look like a healthy bottoming confirmation or bottoming formation. So it doesn't really look finished, even though it's of course possible. But having an unclear bottoming formation with this double bottom structure, which is not a reliable bottoming structure, and then that rally here, was only a 3-wave move. So you have all of that together. Well, I can tell you that this is not clearly bullish then, This is just not clearly bullish. So therefore, I'm looking for lower. And we can take a look at the smaller time frame to get an idea of what's going on here and what the key levels are. So this shows you the micro patterns here, and on the smaller time frame, in the blue scenario, I can easily say the initial decline was an A wave. A, B, C in wave B. And we're now moving down in the C wave. So A, B, C is a classical corrective pattern. And the projection, the ideal target, points towards 12.5 cents. There are 2 levels that overlap here, the 50% retracement and the 100% extension. Now, the microstructure is not very reliable, so that it never is with an altcoin, okay? But for now, this is sort of the roadmap I'm showing here, I've identified. Again, it takes a break below the red line at around around 17.5 cents. To indicate we go down really lower, and the blue scenario is really playing out here. And I would say at this point, any break, and this is now on the smaller time frame, any break above that last high at 25.9 cents could indicate that a low of sorts is already in. But I'm not convinced by it, okay? And if it is the case, then the bulls should turn up somewhere here. What we can do, we can draw some Fibonacci support levels, but these would be very, very weak support. And when you watch the video, then they might already be a little bit, they might already be broken, invalidated. That's just one of the problems with the videos here. But yeah, you see it here. I mean, the 78.6 retracement, which is bullish support, is 19.5 cents. Below that, I've got 18.6 cents as support, but it is just lower than it would be ideal in any bullish scenario. So we're at the key point now. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.